Hello everyone, welcome in today's session. Let us evaluate this integral of x cube into cos x integral with respect to x. So solution for this, let I is equal to given integral x cube into cos x integral with respect to x. Here x cube is algebraic function and cos x is trigonometric function. When integrand contains one algebraic function and another trigonometric function, then there exists one formula which is special formula, and that formula is integral of u into v integral with respect to x. This is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus and so on. And this formula is applicable when first function is algebraic function and second function is either trigonometric function or exponential function. So we can apply this formula to get the value of given integral. Let us assume u is equal to x cube, which is algebraic function, and v is equal to cos x. Here v1 means first integral of v, v2 means integral of v1, v3 means integral of v2, v4 means integral of v3, and u dash means derivative of u, u double dash means derivative of u dash, u triple dash means derivative of u double dash. So remember this formula and its concept. So this formula is applicable only when first function is algebraic function and second function is either trigonometrical function or exponential function. So u is x cube, first term is u into v1. So u is x cube, write this as it is, and v1, this is nothing but integral of v with respect to x, and integral of v is cos x, its integral with respect to x is sin x. So v1 is sin x. Then u dash means derivative of u with respect to x, and u is x cube, derivative of x cube with respect to x, hence u dash is derivative of x cube is 3 times x square, and here v2 is integral of v1 with respect to x, and v1 is sin x, integral of sin x with respect to x, hence v2 is equal to integral of sin x is minus cos x. U double dash is derivative of u dash, but u dash is 3x square and its derivative with respect to x, and this is equal to derivative of 3 times x square is 3 into 2 6x, and here v3 is equal to integral of v2 with respect to x, that is integral of minus cos x with respect to x, this is equal to minus sin x. Then u triple dash is equal to derivative of u double dash is 6x, so derivative of 6x with respect to x is equal to 6 into derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, 6 into 1 is 6, and v4 is equal to integral of v3, but v3 is minus sin x minus sin x integral with respect to x. This is equal to minus of sin x, integral of sin x is minus cos x. Hence, V4 is equal to minus into minus plus cos x. Okay. Next derivative, u triple dash is constant number. Then fourth derivative of u, that is derivative of u triple dash, that will be 0 because of this 6 is constant. So next term is not required. Now we have to put these values of u v1, u dash v2, u double dash v3 and u triple dash v4 in our formula to get the value of given integral. Hence, I is equal to integral of x cube into cos x integral with respect to x is equal to u is x cube into v1 is sin x, x cube sin x minus u dash means derivative of x cube is 3x square into v2 is integral of sin x, that is minus cos x plus u double dash. U double dash is derivative of 3x square, which is 6x into v3. v3 is integral of minus cos x, which is minus sin x minus u triple dash, that is derivative of u double dash. U double dash is 6x, so derivative of 6x is 6 into v4. v4 is integral of v3 and which is integral of minus sin x, that is cos x. Hence, I is equal to, simplify this, x cube sin x minus into minus plus 3 times x square cos x minus into plus minus 6x sin x minus 6 cos x, and this is value of given integral. Hence the answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.